Let me go ahead and plug the homie real quick. Yeah. Lava. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are taking my K24 Integra down the drag strip for the first time since I've been K-swapped. If you guys are new to the channel, I K-swapped my Integra like 2 years ago. Before I was K-swapped, I had a B20V on boost that kept blowing up every other month. It is what it is. Now I'm K-swapped. I haven't been to the drag strip in my Integra since then, so got the GoPro ready. The homie Fred, Rob, Randy, we're all farting out to the track. We're all racing, besides Robert, but Randy's racing. Randy's racing Fred. I'm racing whomever. I took the wing off. I'll show you that. Enough talking. Let's just roll the vlog out. But first, yeah, that intro is just too fire. Wingless, Freddy Bun Braid and Randy Bye on our way. It don't look that bad, wingless. I like the wingless, but I'm telling you at the light. I can hear you. I think it looks better. It looks good, wingless. Why you took the wing off? Nah, I took it off so when I race, I just be straight. I ain't gotta worry about the damn drag. Let's go! We on our way to the track, bye! Alright, racing the homie Rob and his S2000. We out here. Whole gang. Alright, so that run against Fred, I ran a 10.7 at 109 miles an hour. He ran a 10.9 at 102. And you guys seen my terribleness. I can't do first gear 20s. What?
What? I thought you were racing S2.
They didn't let him in my lane, and then I didn't know who I was gonna race, and then they just put Fred next to me. I'm like, what the hell?
I just got walked.
By who?
By a supercharged Hellcat. And I even took the jump.
Well, I beat Fred.
Slow as oh, Fred ain't do too bad.
Nah, Fred gonna walk your ass. Oh man, that was
not really.
Racing the homie Rob. you ain't got no tool bag in your car. I heard they started roasting your ass about the tool bag. You got it? You have a laptop on you? A laptop? Nah.
Hey,
Anybody here have a laptop? I think Fred do. Haven't you?
Decided to update all of a sudden, bro. Like I've been using shit all day, bro.
God damn, Ronaldo. So yeah, I raced Rob for 20. We gotta redo that though. But yeah, it should be a good run. So we're gonna do another 20 again, and yeah, we'll see how that shit goes.
That, or we can hit it at the barriers. Whatever you. That'd probably be easier at the
Barriers? All right. So whatever. All right. Hey, how your race is going, bro?
oh, I'm gapping S2s.
You gapping S2? Gap me then, fool.
Run it.
What's up?
I'm chucking 105. Let's run it.
I'm
on 105.
I'm gonna walk your boy again, right? I'm gonna walk your boy again, and then I got you next. I'm gonna walk your boy again. I'm gonna get him, even though that don't count. I kind of jumped a little bit, but we ain't gonna talk about all that. You know what I mean? I had to make sure, you know what I mean? A little confidence booster. Now I'm good. You know what I mean?
No problem, no problem.
The fastest all-motor RSX in Broward, right?
And nitrous.
Oh, fastest all-motor nitrous RSX in Broward, Renardo. Risky beat. It's risky beat. Look at these two missing gears, ass. Hey, are these the two cars that can't catch a gear? Damn, both y'all can't catch gears? Yeah.
And I went late.
Me and Robert doing another 20 again because obviously I don't know how to drag race. Like I don't know the tree and all that shit. I just go, right? I go over like at the barrier. So now we're gonna do a race at the barrier. So we should be good. Temps are good. Everything is good. Still lonely. We solid. Boy took the dub there, missed the gear, but still caught the dub. I'm having a good night tonight. I'm 3-0. Now I'm gonna race Scion By. Hey, Scion By, you ready?
What's good?
Hey, you ready, bro?
Oh, you about to get a sauce, bro.
Oh, for real?
Hey, let everybody know.
I'm doing this for Wakanda, bro. So if I lose, don't miss second or third. Bang that bitch and go. Yes, sir. Checking in. We is checking in. Can you hear me? Oh, Commander Zosh says we're checking in right now, and that's what we're doing. What's up? What's up? Last night was super duper fun, man. Me, Fred, Randy, we all went down to the track, raced our cars, had a blast. Randy lost every race. Man, y'all should have seen the group. Bro, if I could just make a group chat video where I just screen record the group chat all day, that should give me 1 million views, bro. Like, last night was super funny, bro. Oh, my candle. If you ever had the debate of going K-Series, do it, bro. Do it. We beat the hell out of our cars last night. We beat the hell out of our cars last night. No problems. Go K-Series, bro. Just go K. 40-minute drive there, race, beat on the car. 40-minute drive back home, beat on the car. No problems. Just go K-Series, bro. I'm very proud of what I've been able to build, man. That K24 is no joke, bruh. I had some good races last night. But that is it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not like the video, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you. We're like this, son. Like this. Next video would be the official video of me dropping the car for paint, and we'll see what color the car will be painted in a couple of days. But I already got a color figured out. It's gonna look sick. And I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.